In a cluttered closet, a young lad searches for the perfect surprise gift. Disaster strikes as fabric rips and tears clutter the floor. With mismatched threads and a giant needle, a desperate attempt to mend the torn fabric unfolds. Despite best intentions, the suit now adorned with mismatched patches resembles a colorful quilt. Clad in a detective hat, a plan to replace the ruined suit silently formulates in a young mind. Under the guise of a secret mission, a stealthy departure is made with a crucial cargo in hand. Unplanned return prompts a confusion, as an empty home greets an unexpected guest. Concealed under nature's veil, curious eyes follow the frantic search for a missing piece of the puzzle. In a simple gesture, a homemade card sparks a radiant smile, mending mishaps with an abundance of love.